myself Sabahat Naushad, and my today's topic is what is Doli Incapax and what is Doli Capax. Firstly, Doli Incapax is a Latin maxim that infers the meaning that is incapability of committing a crime. This term has been used to describe an assumption of the guiltiness for the child in criminal law in most countries. We find this term in the Indian Penal Code 1860 in section 82 and in the Juvenile Justice Act 2015 in India. Suppose Suppose a child who is below 7 years of the age and has a dangerous weapon in his hand mistakenly triggers it and causes the death of any person on the opposite side. In such case, that child is not be liable and will be protected by section 82 of IPC. For example, A, an adult in order to kill B, instigate a child C of below 7 years to do an act which causes B's death. Here the child will not be liable for any crime as he is a Doli Incapax. However, A will be held liable for murder of B. As per section 83 of Indian Penal Code, which says that nothing is an offence which is done by a child above 7 years and under 12 years who has not attained the sufficient maturity of understanding to judge of the nature and consequences of his conduct on the occasion. Thank you.